So all these people move to Florida, it blows it up. There's no surprise, going to crash big time.
Mhm.
But why are people moving out? Is it affordability or is it
I
policy?
I think what's happening is the affordability is forcing a certain segment out. However, when you talk about jobs, there's a lot of medical moving into Florida. There's a lot of aging population in Florida. You have a lot of nurses. You have a lot of medical facilities. You have a lot of clinics coming in, not only because there's no corporate tax, there's no state corporate tax in Florida. There's no state income tax in Florida. So you have a lot of these companies coming to Florida, bringing their people to Florida. Who's leaving Florida are your service workers, are your service industry workers that can't afford. You have 2, 3, 4 people renting a house together, renting rooms that are working in restaurants, that are working in nightclubs. But the thing is, you need them as well, because the people who are here want to go out and have a good time. They want to go out and eat. They want to go. So you need that segment of the population as well. So you have two extremes. There's very few, people in Florida that are just average income. You have your people who are in the restaurant service and service industries, and you have your more affluent, a lot of your online working, a lot of your medical field, a lot of your service business type jobs in Florida. Now, again, a lot of construction going on, a lot of road work being done. There are blue collar jobs as well. The problem is those blue collar jobs aren't paying enough for where your rents are. Now,